everyone, welcome back to Upwards with Pradyut and Tisha. I'm Tisha Relia Hande and today I'm going to talk to you about how you can promote an Instagram post directly from the Instagram app. Now, essentially, the back end of Facebook and Instagram together is called the Facebook Business Manager. This is a tool or a website, you can call it, where you can promote posts both for Instagram and Facebook on all the different properties, which are stories, posts, feed, and of course the other different Facebook partner sites. But if you don't want to set up a complete end-to-end business manager account, then you can actually promote posts directly from Instagram. Now, before I get into the steps, let me tell you why I recommend that you set up a Facebook Business Manager account rather than promoting posts from the app. First reason is, think about why are we promoting posts? It's so that we can reach our target audience, right? Now, the targeting options available on Business Manager are a lot more. You can use a lot of different interest-based targeting. There are a lot more demographic details. There is behavioral targeting. For example, which kind of devices are people using? Which phones are they logging in from? What are the different pages that they're following? What are their interests? And therefore, there are a lot more targeting options available on Business Manager, which you do not get when you promote a post directly from the Instagram app. The second thing is that there are a lot more metrics that are also available on Business Manager, right? So things like the click-through rate, which is, of all the people seeing your ads, how many of them are actually clicking and going onto your website or to your profile. A lot of these metrics are not available when you directly promote on the Instagram app. You cannot see them there, right? So that is why I recommend you set up a Facebook Business Manager profile and you actually promote your ads from there. But in case you're just getting started and you don't want to get into that, you just want to very quickly promote your post directly through Instagram, let me tell you the steps. The first thing is that you need to make sure that you have a business profile. So you go to your settings and make sure you have a business profile and not a personal profile. Now, with a business profile, two things happen. One is that, of course, you can promote ads only on a business profile. The second is there are a lot of insights which are available on each and every post, even your organic post, right? So you can click on the insights for a post and you can actually find out where have people found your post. Was it through hashtag? Was it through the home? Where exactly are you getting people to watch this post from? And therefore, these insights are very useful even in your organic content strategy, not just when it comes to promoting posts. So you set up your business profile. The next thing you need to do, of course, is add your payment options. Again, you go back to settings, you go into payments, and then you can, put your credit card or debit card, whatever you like, and link it to your account, and so that the payment can happen for whatever that you're advertising. Now let's come to how you actually promote a post, right? So as you can see on Instagram, currently you cannot promote a reel. So the boost post option will not be available for reels, but you can definitely promote your regular posts and videos. So you select the post that you want to promote, you click on boost post, and you'll see that there are three distinct options here. So let's understand each of these options. The first thing is, if you want to take people to your website, then you choose the second option. Here you can actually edit the website. Whichever your website is, you can put that over there, and you can also change the call to action. What essentially do you want people to do when they come to your website? Are they going to watch a video? Are they going to learn more about your product? Are they going to shop? What is the call to action that you want people to take when they come onto your site? So based on that, you can choose the different CTAs that are available. Next is if you want people to direct message you, right? To send you a message. So you can choose for more message and actually set up a welcome message. So when someone chooses this option and goes into your direct messages, you can have an automated first message that goes out to them. The third and the most popular option probably is increasing your profile visits, which is that you want more people to come to your Instagram page and check out your page and then potentially follow you, right? Now here what you need to do is you need to first set up your audience. So you can obviously go for automated targeting. Here Instagram itself will decide who to target, but this is not at all what I recommend. What I recommend is you set up your own audience and you tell Instagram who do you want to reach. So you basically define your own audience, you set up a name for the audience, and then you choose the locations. Now when it comes to locations, you can either target a pin code, you can also target an entire city, an entire state, or of course the entire country. If you're doing multiple cities, you can also choose multiple cities or multiple pin codes. There are different options, just select them. The next thing you need to define is your demographics. So in demographic, you need to choose the gender, so male and female, and then you can of course put the age. The interesting thing about Instagram is each time you choose an option, you can actually see the audience size, which is what is the potential number of people that you can reach when you choose that demographic. The third, of course, is the interest. So interests essentially are based on what your business is. You need to decide what your audience is interested in. So if your business is selling Indian clothes, then it would be Indian fashion, or a company selling courses, it could be marketing. So there are different interests that are available. Now again, like I said, one of the main reasons I recommend that you use Business Manager, because it is much easier to find the different interest options. There are also a lot more options available on Facebook Business Manager rather than directly the Instagram app itself. But again, if you have a small budget and you're just spending a few thousand rupees, then it's fine to directly promote posts on the app. And then of course the thing you need to set up is the budget. So you can decide the number of days, maximum days is 30, and the daily amount that you want to spend. One other difference between Instagram ads and running an Instagram ad through Business Manager is that you can actually set up a lifetime campaign budget. What that means is that suppose I have 10,000 rupees to spend. One is that I spend 100 rupees every day for 10 days. One is that I tell Facebook that listen, I have 10,000 rupees and 10 days. Now you decide which day you want to spend how much money, right? So for example, over the weekend when probably my audience is more active on Instagram, you can spend 200 rupees versus a Monday where people might be busy with work and my audience may not be active. You can spend little lesser, maybe you spend only 40 to 50 rupees. So this option is again only available on Business Manager. On the Instagram app, you have to just choose the daily budget and of course the number of days, and it shows you what is the amount that you will be spending and the final reach based on obviously the target audience that you have chosen. And then you just click on OK, and you'll be able to see the amount and all the tax implications that is there, and then you click on Boost Post. Now when you click on Boost Post, it's not like immediately your post will get promoted, right? So Facebook and Instagram, they have a lot of guidelines about what kind of posts can and cannot be promoted. Are you using images which are, for example, a copyright of someone? What is the content about? What industry are you in? So they actually check your ads. It typically takes within 24 hours for Facebook to allow or disallow your ad. If it is allowed, it will start getting promoted and you will be able to see all of the insights. But if it is not allowed, then Facebook will actually give you a message telling you what exactly is wrong, why it's not allowed. So just make sure that when you are promoting a post, you actually own that content, which is that the image does not have a copyright. It's a creative that you have made. Also, there are certain categories which you cannot advertise on Facebook, and I'll leave a link to those also in the description below. So make sure that you are not trying to promote one of those categories, because then your ad might get rejected. So these were the simple step-by-step of setting up your first ever Instagram ad. I hope you found this useful. If you would like to understand how to use Facebook Business Manager, do comment and let me know. I'll make a much more detailed video around that. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time. Thank you.